Hi everyone. In this session, I'm going to give you the demo of an application for the precast panel drawing. If you take a look at these four panels, we add checking dimensions in the drawing. So we do it manually, just going to the drawing sheet. Then we pick three dimension and pick the first point and second point. And then we can add another dimension here. So it is very time consuming if you have to do it in every drawing sheet. Let's see how we can automate this process. So if I open the view properties and then go to the part and custom presentation. So this is the new application which we have added to this custom presentation. Once I select, it will add checking dimension to the view and it will also add the values to your template. Let me just click modify. There you can see. Let me just refresh. So it shows the checking dimension in both the directions. So what exactly it happens? It actually passes these values to the user-defined attributes of the panel, user field 1 and 2. You don't have to open the drawing to add these dimensions. I have already saved the settings. If I go to the cast unit drawing property, let me take panel vertical and then open the view properties. Go to the custom presentation, select this option and then click save. Apply and OK. Let me delete these two drawings. I'm selecting all the four panels, create fabrication drawing, selecting all the four, load this panel underscore vertical and click create. Now, if I open the drawing, you can see this checking dimension added to all these parts. And not only that, if I open any of this panel user defined attributes, you can see the values added to the user field 1 and 2. This is a rectangular panel, and that's the reason you can see the value in one field. Let me open the drawing. And the checking dimension is 8485. And the next one, it's 7101 and 8006. And the next drawing, 6706 and 7506. And the next one, it's 8006 and 8485. You can also change the color and the font. Let me just close this. If you go to the model folder, attributes, let me take the standard pre-diagonal dimension, right click and open with Notepad. So this is where you can change the text height and color and text font, and then save it. And once I close, and if I open the drawing, you can see the changes in the presentation. So this application will definitely help you save a lot of time because you don't have to add this checking dimensions in each and every drawing manually. If you have any specific question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me. And thank you for watching this video.